Today, public holiday, Marina open like no more open. Welcome and thank you for love and support Marina. And wish you all the best on the public holiday grand final. Wish you all the way you wish you will have in your life. Whatever you want, you will get it. Thank you for love and support Marina. Thank you and love you so much. See you soon. Love you all. And wish បងប្អូននៅលើសកលលោកទាំងអស់មានតែក្តីសុខសុភមង្គលស្រឡាញ់គ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកឲ្យដូចជាក្រុមគ្រួសារតែមួយផងចុះ